So new shower time. So new shower. Got the drench head still. So you walk up to this one and it says hello. It's got proximity sensor so it knows you're there. Okay, we'll let that disappear. Anyway, we'll ignore that. So, Melissa's. All different profiles. So, not washing hair means that it will come out that shower head. Wash hair means it will come out that shower head. After bike ride is a cold shower. So, let's go with after bike ride. It's now coming out that head. That head even. So on here we can divert. So it's now coming out of there. It's my phone. Come on. Hang on, that's weird. There we go. Can change the temperature, so let's go with, let's cool it down. You can see on the screen there it's changing. So I can go, let's go back to the other shower head. And stop your shower. Tells you how long your shower was. And then goodbye. How cool. And another thing, so that was the ensuite shower. We can then go bathroom. And then this one. It's obviously just a single shower head. Yeah. Press start. Cool. Rah.